The Volkswagen Polo V 2009 to 2017 uses a manual high beam system. To activate the high beams, pull the steering column stalk, left side of the steering wheel, fully towards you. This will turn on both high beam headlights for maximum illumination on dark unlit roads. To deactivate the high beams, push the stalk forward away from you, or you can pull it briefly again. The high beam functionality is integrated into the steering column stalk on the left side of the steering wheel. Pulling the stalk fully towards you activates the high beams, providing intense long-range illumination. Pushing the stalk forward deactivates the high beams and returns you to low beam headlights. A quick pull of the stalk allows you to flash the high beams as a signal to other drivers. High beams are designed for maximum visibility, but must be used carefully to avoid endangering other drivers. Low beams provide focused illumination for normal driving, while high beams spread light widely, which is helpful but dangerous near other vehicles. High beams are ideal for rural roads or unlit areas where there are no other vehicles nearby, providing better visibility of obstacles and turns. Never use high beams when other vehicles are nearby, as the intense light can temporarily blind oncoming drivers, creating a serious safety hazard. Remember to switch back to low beams immediately when you see approaching vehicles to ensure everyone's safety on the road. If your high beams are not working, the first step is to check the bulbs, which are typically H7 or H1 types for the Volkswagen Polo V. Next, check fuse 13 in the fuse box and ensure it's functional. If the bulbs are good, inspect the fuse box and wiring harness for any signs of damage or loose connections. Issues with the stock mechanism itself can also cause problems, especially in older models. A common issue with older Volkswagen Polo V models, especially those with high mileage, is a worn-out stock mechanism. This can cause the high beam switch to stick in the on position or fail to activate properly. Here you can see the steering column stalk and related components that may wear out over time. The stock mechanism can become worn, causing it to stick or malfunction. If you suspect a faulty stock, consult a mechanic for replacement. Although the Polo V didn't come standard with LED headlights, many owners are now upgrading to LED high beam kits for better performance. LED high beam kits provide significant advantages over the original halogen bulbs. They offer 25 to 50% better efficiency and a much longer lifespan, lasting up to 25,000 hours, compared to just 1,000 hours for halogens. One key benefit is improved visibility. LED high beams illuminate a broader and farther area compared to halogen systems, helping drivers see farther down the road at night. These LED upgrades are designed to fit into the existing headlight assembly of the Polo V, making installation straightforward. The kits are readily available online or at auto parts stores and are relatively affordable, typically costing between $50 and $200. Automotive safety experts note that manual high beam controls like those in the Polo V are prone to driver error. Modern automatic high beam assist systems reduce glare-related accidents by up to 20% by automatically switching between high and low beams based on traffic conditions. So keep the road conditions in mind. Looking ahead, automotive lighting is evolving toward advanced, adaptive systems that provide safer and more efficient illumination. Modern vehicles now feature multiple beam types, from standard LED low beams to advanced HD matrix LED high beams that can selectively illuminate areas while avoiding glare. Matrix LED systems use multiple LED segments that can be individually controlled. This exploded view shows the cooling system and modular design that enables precise beam shaping. At night, matrix systems create custom beam patterns. High beams can be split into upper and lower sections, providing optimal illumination while protecting oncoming drivers from glare. Dynamic headlight range control uses sensors to automatically adjust beam height based on vehicle load and road conditions, ensuring optimal visibility and safety. Navigation-based systems adapt lighting to driving conditions. Different modes optimize beams for city streets, country roads, motorways, and intersections. While these advanced features aren't available for the Polo V without extensive modification, they represent the future direction of automotive lighting technology, focusing on safety, efficiency, and automation.